Welcome to Drops on Elites. How are you all doing? So today we're going to talk about this biggest AI layer 1 airdrop called OG Lab. So OG Lab is the largest AI layer 1 airdrop right now. So today I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step guide on how to navigate through this particular testnet and all you need to know about this particular testnet. So now the first thing you're going to do first is that you have to claim your faucet token. So now you go over to the link down in the description. So once you click on it, you get yourself to this particular page. Now first thing you have to do now, you have to choose a particular wallet address. Okay, so I'm making use of a MetaMask, so I will encourage that you also make use of a MetaMask. So once you come over to this place, go to your MetaMask and then click on it. You have to then copy your wallet address. So now once you're done with the copying of the wallet address, come over to this place, paste your wallet address here, confirm that you're a human, and then request the faucet token. Okay, next thing here is going to go over to the next link. So now in this link you have to connect here. Once you connect, you have to upload an image. So any image you can upload, just go over here, click on it. I already have an image here, so I'll just go over here. I will upload the image. Okay, now upload anything. You can upload yourself or any image of anything. Now the next thing you're going to do is that we have to make a swap. Okay, you have to send this OG token to yourself. So now I have 0.1 token here, so I have to send to myself. So now I'll go over to my MetaMask wallet address. So once I come over to this place, I copy my own MetaMask wallet address, and then I have to send part of this token to myself. So I will paste my MetaMask wallet address here, and then I will choose any amount I want. So I have 0.1, so I have to choose below 0.1, so 0.0001 OG token. So I'll just send it to myself. Okay, that's what the next thing you're going to do. Once you're done with this, next thing you have to head over to the Discord page. Okay, now the link is also there down in the description. So once you just come over here, you have to verify. So once you're done with the verification, so next you have to do now, you have to claim the OG role. Okay, now to do that, the criteria you have to fulfill for. So now the first criteria here is that you have to follow add OG to both your Twitter and your Telegram username. Next thing, you have to follow OG in both their Twitter and in their Telegram page. Okay, and then once you're done with that, then you have to click on this scene. Okay, now I'm going to do this thing right away. Now first thing first is that I'm going to go to my Twitter page, the Twitter page of this particular testnet. So now just come over here, I'll follow them on the Twitter, and then go over to my Telegram as well too. The link is down in the description, so just go over there, ensure that you follow them in their Telegram page as well too. Now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add this OG to my Twitter username. Okay, so I just come over this place, I will then copy this word OG and then move over to my, so do that, just click on this edit profile. So of course I've already done my own, so now we'll just come over this place, click on it, and then add this OG to my username. So once you're done with that, you have to come over to this place, to Telegram as well, to ensure that you also add the word OG to your Telegram username. So now once you're done with that, come over to your Discord page and then click on this sign. We have done the necessary things that we ought to do by following them on the both pages. So now we click on this sign. So once you come over to this place, click on this sign, you have to add/verify. Okay, sorry, so you have click add/ then verify, give a space, and then once you give a space, this thing will then pump out. So you have to then put in your Twitter username and as well put in your Telegram username in this next space. Okay, now you have to do that without putting the @ okay, so maybe say for instance your Twitter name is just Maverick, just put the word there. Okay, just do that. So once you're done with that, you then verify, and then here you will claim your OG role. So now that's all you need to do concerning this particular testnet. So now of course this image is still trying to load. So now summary of all you need to be doing here, daily tasks that you have to first of all ensure that you claim your faucet token every single day. So once you're done with the claiming, then next thing you have to do is that you have to make a swap. Okay, swap, send to yourself. Now next thing you have to do is that you also have to upload any image. So this is the daily task that you have to be doing in this particular OG Lab testnet. Okay, now so you do it to ensure that you follow them there, the Twitter page, ensure that you always come up here to see their daily posts and updates. Okay, and as well ensure that you follow them in their Discord page as well. there are a lot of things going on in this particular Discord page, games and the interactions. Just so ensure that you're part of what they are doing, so that at least you don't miss out from all that's going on in this particular place. So now that's all for this particular video. So any updates, I'll do it to ensure that you guys have it all. Okay, so please you do well to subscribe and then follow us always. So if there's any updates, you always have it here with you. Okay?